Hi, it's Jialing. Today I'm going to Tamsui, the Gold Coast. I really want to paint the boat, the harbor scene. Okay, I decide to paint here. Although here I don't have any shelter, but today's weather is not too sunny, so it's okay to paint here. Using titanium white to add the rope. It's amazing that when I paint the boat, I just adding the rope, the lamp, the pole, and the painting become different. It's become lively. I think that my painting is nearly finished. I just added more highlight. And it's really feeling so good to paint in Tamsui in such a wonderful weather. And I added more marks of the boat, make it more realistic. Okay, now painting is finished. I'm pretty happy of the result. So now it's lunchtime. It's almost 1 p.m. I didn't eat anything, so I need to go and grab some food. Okay, this is the old street of Tamsui. Very popular food, Tamsui, yuan-tang, and ake. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. I still have a next episode, so hope to see you